I don't know if some people just subscribe to me just because I'm remodeling the camper. I don't know, some people just thought that life with 6 kids was interesting, but it's been a crazy busy last 2 months, pretty much since we got back from Utah. But to keep things interesting with 6 kids, we're in the process of remodeling a sunroom, remodeling a basement bathroom. We have to now rip up our whole basement again and redo a sewer line. While we're at it, we're about to destroy the bedroom that me and Shanna are currently sleeping in, just to re-drywall all the walls and make it nice. Dumpster just got delivered. And on top of all of that, we decided to foster 2 kittens. So, because we honestly just like to keep things interesting here. My channel is mainly for my kids, just to watch the videos that we do, and other people seem to like it. So, here we go. Easter.
I just love candy, so I grabbed a lot.
So this is our newest project. We started this probably 2 years ago, and just recently finally started working on it again. This was originally the porch, and we just added all of that extra area right there.
It's what I thought.
There you go. So begins smashing apart the bedroom to re-drywall it. Found this little guy in the wall. Also found this was stuffed in the wall. So about halfway done, we gotta remove this entire closet because I hate where it is, like just the way that it faces. So we're gonna smash like this whole thing out, and then we're gonna do the roof, which ought to be funny because I mean, just everything's just gonna collapse on your head. Whatever. So now that that's gone, finish up these last 2 walls, and mainly because we're gonna start drywalling tomorrow, on Monday. We make ridiculous deadlines, but that's okay. That's kind of how you have to do it.
Like it?
That's my hat.
That was my hat.
And that was Lillian wearing my hat from 7th grade.
That's his belly button.
But
His butt? No, not in his butt. In his mouth. Butt? Oh.
You know, it's really hard trying to smash out a bunch of walls in your room when you have 6 kids and they always need something. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You know. It's really hard to do this. Work. And just try and hang out at the same time. But we managed. Come on in. You got 2 more walls left.
Ba-da-da!
No, you're supposed to kick in the wall and do it.
You can't do that.
Well, you could kick in the door, but the door needs. We're not taking the door off.
Ba-da-da!
flooring done. Just framing the windows in and doing the last of the frames. That's what I'm hoping to do this week. Gotta stain these, shiplap all this. So that's where we are right now. There's so much going on that I can't even think straight, and it's not stopping. The boys' room is a mess. The whole house is a mess. Literally everything feels like a mess right now. So much has been going on lately that I haven't even had time to film it, and I've just been living in the moment sometimes. Hopefully that stuff slows down. It's probably totally a lie. It never slows down around here. Anyways, I'm gonna go make dinner.